The Samsung washing machine 5C error code indicates a problem with the drainage system, typically occurring when the machine is unable to drain water properly. This issue often arises due to cases and drain hoses becoming clogged or twisted over time, preventing water from draining out of the machine. Common causes of this error code include a clogged filter, which can become blocked after prolonged use and hinder the smooth draining of water from the drum. A clogged drainage hose, where blockages prevent water from flowing through. And a twisted drain hose, which can lead to improper drainage. To resolve the issue, several solutions can be applied. Cleaning the filters is essential, and this can be done by identifying and removing dirt that may have accumulated on the filter, washing it in warm water, and wiping the drain filter recess with a damp cloth. Additionally, unblocking the drain hose involves inspecting the hose for dirt or foreign materials, disconnecting it from the machine, and using a flexible brush or pipe cleaner to remove the blockage. Before rinsing and reattaching it, it is also crucial to inspect the drain hose installation, ensuring it is securely attached to the drainage pipe and free of twists, and straightening the hose if necessary to restore proper water drainage. By following these steps, the 5C error code can be resolved, and the washing machine can function efficiently once again.